Hey everyone, this is how to fix the cigarette lighters in the Hyundai Tucson. So it's this lighter and that cigarette lighter right there. There's also one at the back of the car, and this will fix all of it. So the most common fix for these is by fixing the fuse, and the fuse is really straightforward. So this is the map for it. This is the one on the inside. You just take this handle and pop it right off, and this is what this map is pretty much talking about. So what you're looking for in here is all the way on the right at this power outlet 20A. It's right underneath the spare right there. So in here, it would be on the furthest right, pretty much fourth from the bottom. So you can see that it says 20 right there. So that's the one you'd be taking out. Depending on which one's not working though, if that doesn't fix your problem, open up the hood of your car. Then you're able to take this like plastic piece off really easily. It just pretty much snaps right off right there. You take it off, and then here's another map for other fuses. So you can see the power outlets are these two 20As. So there's the power outlet front and the power outlet rear. And on this map, it would technically just be these two. So it's those yellow ones. If you notice on the one on the inside as well, that one was also yellow. So it's all just 20A fuses. You also see here that you'll have some like spares for the 20A, so you can use this spare. And I did that already. I needed some more, so I went to Amazon and just got this really cheap pack of like 60 of them for like 10 bucks. And in here, all you have to do is just take this like white little pin part, squeeze it, take it out. So you just pretty much push it, get stuck on the right pin, and then don't have to push anymore, and you just pull all the way out and it comes right out. So this one specifically affects the one on the left. Yeah, this one controls the one on the left for sure. So the one outside there that says front is the one for the right, and then the one for the back is at the back of the car right here. So yeah. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like, and please subscribe to my channel to see more great tutorials just like this. Have a great day, everyone. Cheers.